Hello. Let's learn parts of speech in this audio and video. Learn parts of speech for better understanding and very easy to understand if you follow this video. We use words to express our thoughts. Words put together make sentences. The words we use are of different kinds. They are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Parts of speech can be defined as words that perform different roles in a sentence. The parts of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. The first one, noun. Words which are used as names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. A noun is a name of anything like tree, flower, cat, bed, chair or king, queen, all are nouns. We are giving the name for these things. All naming words are called nouns. There are 4 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. The next one is the adjective. Adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. So adjectives describes or tells what kind of a noun, such as great man. What kind of a man? Great. So great is adjective. Interesting book. What kind of a book? Interesting is adjective, book is common noun. White dress. White is adjective, dress is noun. The next one, pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, look at Prema. She is dancing. Prema is noun, she is pronoun. Remember, instead of nouns, the pronouns stand. Like you, she, he, my, them, I, all are pronouns. Verbs. A verb is a word which says something about a subject. For example, John hit Tom. John is subject, noun, hit is verb. The girls are playing indoor games. The girls is subject, are playing is verb. Present continuous tense. Fire burns. Fire is noun, burns is verb. So verbs tell of something to be done. To write, to read, to walk or run. The next one is adverb. Adverbs are words that are used to provide more information about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs used in a sentence. An adverb adds the meaning of a verb and tells how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done. So, the adverbs tell how things are done. It is adverb manner. Quickly, slowly, badly, or well. She acts well. She writes badly. He ran quickly. The adverbs tells when it is done. It is adverb of time. Yesterday, today, now, daily, early, immediately, presently. Remember, adverb. The adverbs tell where it is done. It is adverb of place, outside, inside, everywhere. The next part of speech is preposition. The preposition stands before a noun or pronoun. As on Sunday. On is preposition, Sunday is noun. At night. He was in town. In is preposition. The definition of a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. The boy ran around the field. He dived into the river. In these sentences, the first sentence shows the relationship between the boy and the field. The second sentence shows the relationship between he and the river. A preposition is said to govern a noun or pronoun and is always followed by the objective case. For example, the king reigns over us. The A is article, king is common noun, reigns is verb, over is preposition, us is pronoun. The next one, conjunction. Conjunctions are words that work as a link. So a conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. The common conjunctions are and, or, but, because, so, while, since. They are all linking. Next one is the interjection. The interjection is an expression of surprise. As, oh, ah, my goodness, wise. Note, the interjection is not connected with other parts of speech in a sentence. It stands by itself and expresses some feeling of the mind, as my friend, alas, has ruined his life. These are the 8 parts of speech. It's very easy if you learn it with examples. Hope you liked it. Thank you. This is Padma. Have a good day.